Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video. Today I'm going to create a website using Hostinger Horizons. So I select Hostinger Horizons where I was creating a normal website. Now when you select that, you land onto the normal Hostinger builder, the starting point. Now before going over Horizons, I just look through any template that can match my requirement. I go through all of them. But coming to what I am actually creating, so I'm creating a website for a client who is in business of selling uh, interior lighting, exterior lighting, domestic, and all sorts of things related to lightings. But I did not find anything that actually matches and that suits me. So I go over these templates here. Then once I figure out that these are all not matching my requirements, so I just copy here the my client's LinkedIn profile, and I think it aptly described what they want to do. Then I figured what is the email that I want to share on the website. So this was the starting point for the horizons. Now I also added a image, multiple image, like 3 images from commercial kind of light. So first I try to add multiple images. So I figured out that you can't upload more than 10. So I took 3 from commercial and 3 from domestic lighting types and added, and I just have clicked go. Basically this arrow button. Okay, so this inside it looks like just any chart editor. I mean, sorry, any like a website creator where you get the input box to add your idea, iterate over multiple versions of the code. Then above on the header, you have a settings burger where when you click, you can go back to the dashboards of websites, and there are other bunch of settings. Now Ask Cody is one more chat box that will open, and it is like a service chat for Hostinger. Then there are a bunch of integrations that comes with Horizons. You can integrate payments, you can integrate catalog management, you can integrate uh, appointments, etc. And then there is a publish button, obviously. Okay. Now there are a few surprises which you you may land in when you come from just drag and drop a Hostinger builder. That I'll tell you in a bit of time. So in the chart you can see uh, it is pointing out what it is doing. So right now it has worked on hero section, product showcases, about section, professional contact, form, navigations, and premium design. Yep, and I was very much satisfied, and I think the website is almost ready. So transitions were not very smooth, like this looked very normal website. So when you go to edit content, here you get 3 options: preview, edit content, and code. So edit content will let you edit the images and the content over the website. That's cool feature that you don't have to go to code to edit these simple basic things. And obviously you have the best part about this builder is you get the code editing option as well, like Loveable. So if you are in coding, if you know a small bit of coding in React.js, you can just go over the code and edit it. Now, the thing that was missing in the first version was it was not adhering to the logo theme. So the best thing you could have done is see if I had the client's logo already, so but I did not add it to the first prompt, which is a mistake basically. If I added, I could have saved one prompt here, which I added a image later in the second prompt and asked it to just adhere to the theme and create a theme alongside of this logo. Now it got the font and the whatnot. It got the font, it got the what do you say, the color theme. So now when you see it, it looks professional, it looks to the point what I need. Then I think this was almost ready. So I'm talking about around in three prompts, I was ready to give this website to my client. So that's like I think very positive for Stranger Horizons. Then I'm trying to figure out like in the hero section. Yeah, so in the hero section, I observed that there is a photo in the background, but it is not visible. But I think this is a good point to add multiple images to showcase what actually this company does, right? So I just try to figure out first what is that actually uh, what actually the image is and how I can decrease the opacity of this foreground layer to showcase more to create more visibility on the background so that the image is visible to the clients. So here I take help of uh, the coding feature. So I try to see how I can do by myself. But let's see. See, yes, my first idea was to let's change some image and see what it is showing. Now, as I again see, the image is not visible as much as I want. So I just yep, I just go to the hero and I try to figure out which line does the does control the opacity of the foreground. So it is normal JSX file, uh, like and the folder structure is created in a React fashion. So I'm under components, and in that there is hero JSX file, and I think this there should be some opacity. The line number 16. I will try to increase and decrease and see if I can see the changes there. So for this, you just have to change here and click on save. Okay, once it is saved, you can preview it. I did not see much change. Then I let me increase it. So now it is somewhat visible, I guess. now. So at this point, I'm almost ready to hand over this to the client actually. Uh, See, the hero section shows all the uh, main features of the client company, that it does the domestic lighting, it does the commercial lighting, and there is the action button for the users whenever user lands on the website. But one thing I pointed out to this AI is, if there is some contrast between the text and the image, the text will be much more visible to the user. So that is uh, a one prompt. So this is around I think third prompt which I'm using to enhance this website. So uh, overall experience with the Horizon is much much better, and it is comparable to other website builder like Loveable. And in around 4 to 5 prompts, you will be ready to give your website to the client, and then you just have to change the tag. Yes, in few seconds I got the result I wanted. That is text to be contrasting from the image that you can see here. Coming to the downside of this, when you use Horizons, the contact us form is not very much configured to send the content to your particular email, that you have to do it yourself using the code, or you can prompt it out directly on this AI chat to do it for you. So these are the integrations. Yes, thank you everyone.